Welcome to our colorful journey through the animal kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet A. A is for alpaca. A-L-P-A-C-A. Alpaca. A is for antelope. A-N-T-E-L-O-P-E. Antelope. A is for alligator. A double L-I-G-A-T-O-R. Alligator. A is for anaconda. A-N-A-C-O-N-D-A. Anaconda. A is for albatross. A-L-B-A-T-R-O-S-S. Albatross. A is for anteater. A-N-T-E-A-T-E-R. Anteater. A is for Arctic fox. A-R-C-T-I-C-F-O-X. Arctic fox. A is for aardwolf. Double A-R-D-W-O-L-F. Aardwolf. A is for avocet. A-V-O-C-E-T. Avocet. A is for armadillo. A-R-M-A-D-I-L-L-O. Armadillo. Welcome to our colorful journey through the animal kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet B. B is for baboon. B-A-B-O-O-N. Baboon. B is for bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. B is for buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O. Buffalo. B is for bison. B-I-S-O-N. Bison. B is for butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. B is for beaver. B-E-A-V-E-R. Beaver. B is for bat. B-A-T. Bat. B is for badger. B-A-D-G-E-R. Badger. B is for barracuda. B-A-R-R-A-C-U-D-A. Barracuda. B is for beluga whale. B-E-L-U-G-A-W-H-A-L-E. Beluga whale. Welcome to our colorful journey through the animal kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet C. C is for cheetah. C-H-E-E-T-A-H. Cheetah. C is for cat. C-A-T. Cat. C is for camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. C is for crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Crocodile. C is for cow. C-O-W. Cow. C is for chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. C is for crane. C-R-A-N-E. Crane. C is for chipmunk. C-H-I-P-M-U-N-K. Chipmunk. C is for chimpanzee. C-H-I-M-P-A-N-Z-E-E. Chimpanzee. C is for cougar. C-O-U-G-A-R. Cougar. Welcome to our colorful journey through the animal kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet D. D is for deer. D-double-E-R, deer. D is for duck. D-U-C-K, duck. D is for dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. D is for donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. D is for dog. D-O-G, dog. D is for dove. D-O-V-E, dove. D is for dromedary. D-R-O-M-E-D-A-R-Y, dromedary. D is for damselfly. D-A-M-S-E-L-F-L-Y, damselfly. D is for dachshund. D-A-C-H-S-H-U-N-D, dachshund. D is for dingo. D-I-N-G-O, dingo. Welcome to our colorful journey through the animal kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet E. E is for elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. E is for eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. E is for emu. E-M-U, emu. E is for elk. E-L-K, elk. E is for eel. Double-E-L, eel. E is for egret. E-G-R-E-T, egret. E is for echidna. E-C-H-I-D-N-A, echidna. E is for ermine. E-R-M-I-N-E, ermine. E is for earthworm. E-A-R-T-H-W-O-R-M, earthworm. E is for emperor penguin. E-M-P-E-R-O-R-P-E-N-G-U-I-N, emperor penguin. Welcome to our colorful journey through the animal kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet F. F is for fox. F-O-X, fox. F is for frog. F-R-O-G, frog. F is for flamingo. F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. F is for falcon. F-A-L-C-O-N, falcon. F is for fish. F-I-S-H, fish. F is for ferret. F-E-R-R-E-T, ferret. F is for finch. F-I-N-C-H, finch. F is for fawn. F-A-W-N, fawn. F is for firefly. F-I-R-E-F-L-Y, firefly. F is for fossa. F-O-S-S-A, fossa. Welcome to our colorful journey through the animal kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet G. G is for grouse. 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 G is for gorilla. 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 G is for goose. 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 G is for giraffe. 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 G is for goldfish. 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 G is for gazelle. 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 G is for gopher. 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 G is for goat. 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 G is for gull. 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 Welcome to our colorful journey through the animal kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet H. H is for horse. 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 H is for hippopotamus. 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 H is for hedgehog. 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 H is for hare. 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 H is for hummingbird. Humming. Hummingbird. H is for hyena. 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 H is for heron. 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 H is for hamster. 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 H is for hawk. Hawk. Welcome to our colorful journey through the animal kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet I. I is for ibex. 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 I is for impala. 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 I is for iguana. 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 I is for inchworm. 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 I is for Icelandic sheep. Icelandic. Icelandic sheep. I is for Irish setter. Irishsetter. Irish setter. I is for ibis. 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 I is for indri. 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 I is for indigo bunting. Indigo bunting. Indigo bunting. Welcome to our colorful journey through the animal kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet J. J is for jaguar. 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 J is for jackrabbit. Jackr, a double bit. Jackrabbit. J is for jackal. 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 J is for Japanese macaque. Japanesemacaque. Japanese macaque. J is for Javan rhino. Javanrhino. Javan rhino. J is for jabiru. 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 J is for junco. 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 J is for jay. 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 J is for jellyfish. 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 Welcome to our colorful journey through the animal kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet K. K is for koala. 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 K is for kangaroo. 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 K is for kingfisher. 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 K is for Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon. K is for kudu. 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 K is for killer whale. Killerwhale. Killer whale. K is for kiwi. 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 K is for kinkajou. 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 K is for kestrel. 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 Welcome to our colorful journey through the animal kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet L. L is for leopard. 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 L is for lion. 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 L is for lemur. 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 L is for llama. 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 L is for lynx. 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 L is for lobster. 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 L is for ladybug. 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 L is for lamb. 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 L is for lapwing. 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 L is for lark. 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 Welcome to our colorful journey through the animal kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet M. M is for monkey. 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 M is for moose. M-O-O-S-E. Moose. M is for mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. M is for mongoose. M-O-N-G-O-O-S-E. Mongoose. M is for manatee. M-A-N-A-T-E-E. Manatee. M is for magpie. M-A-G-P-I-E. Magpie. M is for mallard. M-A-L-L-A-R-D. Mallard. M is for meerkat. M-E-E-R-K-A-T. Meerkat. M is for mountain goat. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-G-O-A-T. Mountain goat. M is for macaw. M-A-C-A-W. Macaw. Welcome to our colorful journey through the animal kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet N. N is for nightingale. N-I-G-H-T-I-N-G-A-L-E. Nightingale. N is for newt. N-E-W-T. Newt. N is for numbat. N-U-M-B-A-T. Numbat. N is for Nyala. N-Y-A-L-A. Nyala. N is for nuthatch. N-U-T-H-A-T-C-H. Nuthatch. N is for nursed shark. N-U-R-S-E-S-H-A-R-K. Nurse shark. N is for northern cardinal. N-O-R-T-H-E-R-N-C-A-R-D-I-N-A-L. Northern cardinal. N is for nutria. N-U-T-R-I-A. Nutria. N is for Norwegian forest cat. N-O-R-W-E-G-I-A-N-F-O-R-E-S-T-C-A-T. Norwegian forest cat. N is for nighthawk. N-I-G-H-T-H-A-W-K. Nighthawk. Welcome to our colorful journey through the animal kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet O. O is for orangutan. O-R-A-N-G-U-T-A-N. Orangutan. O is for owl. O-W-L. Owl. O is for otter. O-T-T-E-R. Otter. O is for ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. O is for octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. O is for ocelot. O-C-E-L-O-T. Ocelot. O is for okapi. O-K-A-P-I. Okapi. O is for ox. O-X. Ox. O is for osprey. O-S-P-R-E-Y. Osprey. O is for olive baboon. OLIVEBABOON. Olive baboon. Welcome to our colorful journey through the animal kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet P. P is for penguin. 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 P is for panda. 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 P is for pig. 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 P is for polar bear. POLARBEAR. Polar bear. P is for parrot. 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 P is for puma. 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 P is for platypus. 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 P is for pigeon. 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 P is for peacock. 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 P is for panther. 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 Welcome to our colorful journey through the animal kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet Q. Q is for quokka. 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 Q is for quetzal. 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 Q is for quail. QUOLL. Quail. Q is for quahog. 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 Q is for queen triggerfish. QUENTRIGGERFISH. Queen triggerfish. Q is for Q worky-tail filefish. QUIRKYTAILFILEFISH. Q worky-tail filefish. Q is for quail. 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 Q is for quagga. QUGGA. Quagga. Q is for Kali. QUELEA. Kali. Q is for queen bee. QUEENBEE. Queen bee. Welcome to our colorful journey through the animal kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet R. R is for rabbit. 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 R is for raccoon. 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 R is for rhinoceros. 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 R is for robin. 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 R is for reindeer. 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 R is for red panda. R-E-D-P-A-N-D-A. Red panda. R is for rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Rooster. R is for ray. R-A-Y. Ray. R is for rattlesnake. R-A-T-T-L-E-S-N-A-K-E. Rattlesnake. R is for rat. R-A-T. Rat. Welcome to our colorful journey through the animal kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet S. S is for swan. S-W-A-N. Swan. S is for sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. S is for shark. S-H-A-R-K. Shark. S is for squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L. Squirrel. S is for snake. S-N-A-K-E. Snake. S is for seahorse. S-E-A-H-O-R-S-E. Seahorse. S is for skunk. S-K-U-N-K. Skunk. S is for seal. S-E-A-L. Seal. S is for stork. S-T-O-R-K. Stork. S is for spider. S-P-I-D-E-R. Spider. Welcome to our colorful journey through the animal kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet T. T is for turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle. T is for tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. T is for toucan. T-O-U-C-A-N. Toucan. T is for turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y. Turkey. T is for tarsier. T-A-R-S-I-E-R. Tarsier. T is for tapir. T-A-P-I-R. Tapir. T is for tarantula. T-A-R-A-N-T-U-L-A. Tarantula. T is for tuna. T-U-N-A. Tuna. T is for Tasmanian devil. T-A-S-M-A-N-I-A-N-D-E-V-I-L. Tasmanian devil. T is for thornback ray. T-H-O-R-N-B-A-C-K-R-A-Y. Thornback ray. Welcome to our colorful journey through the animal kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet U. U is for wakari. U-A-K-A-R-I. Wakari. U is for upupa. U-P-U-P-A. Upupa. U is for urchin. U-R-C-H-I-N. Urchin. U is for umbrella bird. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A-B-I-R-D. umbrella bird. U is for Urutu. U-R-U-T-U, Urutu. U is for Ural owl. U-R-A-L-O-W-L, Ural owl. U is for unicorn fish. U-N-I-C-O-R-N-F-I-S-H, unicorn fish. U is for Araka jay. U-R-R-A-C-A-J-A-Y, Araka jay. U is for Ulysses butterfly. U-L-Y-S-S-E-S-B U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, Ulysses butterfly. U is for Oriole. U-R-I-A-L, Oriole. Welcome to our colorful journey to the animal kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet V. V is for vervet monkey. V-E-R-V-E-T-M-O-N-K-E-Y, vervet monkey. V is for viper. V-I-P-E-R, viper. V is for vicuna. V-I-C-U-N, tilde, vicuna. V is for vampire bat. V-A-M-P-I-R-E-B-A-T, vampire bat. V is for vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. V is for velvet ant. V-E-L-V-E-T-A-N-T, velvet ant. V is for veery. V-E-E-R-Y, veery. V is for velvet crab. V-E-L-V-E-T-C-R-A-B, velvet crab. V is for Vizsla. V-I-Z-S-L-A, Vizsla. V is for vole. V-O-L-E, vole. Welcome to our colorful journey of Animal Kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet W. W is for wolf. W-O-L-F, wolf. W is for woodpecker. W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R, woodpecker. W is for whale. W-H-A-L-E, whale. W is for walrus. W-A-L-R-U-S, walrus. W is for wombat. W-O-M-B-A-T, wombat. W is for weasel. W-E-A-S-E-L, weasel. W is for warthog. W-A-R-T-H-O-G, warthog. W is for wildebeest. W-I-L-D-E-B-E-E-S-T, wildebeest. W is for white tiger. W-H-I-T-E-T-I-G-E-R, white tiger. W is for wallaby. W-A-L-L-A-B-Y, wallaby. Welcome to our colorful journey of Animal Kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet X. X is for Xenarthra. 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 X is for Xenops. 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 X is for Xanthus. Xantis. Xanthus. X is for Xerus. 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 X is for Xanthus. Xantus. Xanthus. X is for Zolmis. Xolmis. Zolmis. X is for X-ray tetra. Xraytetra. X-ray tetra. X is for Xanthic sargo. Xanticsargo. Xanthic sargo. X is for Xenopoeculus. 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 X is for Xanthus merlet. Xantusmurret. Xanthus merlet. Welcome to our colorful journey of Animal Kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabets Y. Y is for yak. 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 Y is for yabby. 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 Y is for yellow baboon. Yellowb. A double B double O-N. Yellow baboon. Y is for yellow mongoose. Yellowmongoose. Yellow mongoose. Y is for Yuma myotis. Yumamyotis. Yuma myotis. Y is for yearling. 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 Y is for yellow hammer. Yellowh. A double MER. Yellow hammer. Y is for yellow-billed hornbill. Yellowb. Illedhornbill. Yellow-billed hornbill. Y is for yellow jacket. Yellowjacket. Yellow jacket. Y is for Yacare caiman. Yacare. Yacare caiman. Welcome to our colorful journey of Animal Kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet Z. Z is for zebra. 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 Z is for zebra shark. Zebrashark. Zebra shark. Z is for zebu. 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 Z is for zebra diker. Zebraduiker. Zebra diker. Z is for Zapata wren. Zapatawren. Zapata wren. Z is for zebra mussels. ZEBRAMUSSELS. Zebra mussels. Z is for Zenaida dove. ZENAIDADOVE. Zenaida dove. Z is for zonkey. 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 Z is for Zorilla. 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 Z is for Zorse. ZORSE. Zorse.